All right, I've got these new Rocktrix Beadlocks. Take all that off. These things are pretty sweet. I got the 5-spoke. This is a -12 offset. And you got this nice aluminum ring right here. I don't need a spacer because my wheels aren't, or my tires aren't that big. So we're gonna swap this bad boy right into there. We're gonna put some bead locks on my tires. We gotta take these steelies off. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the valve core to get a bunch of air out of it. Hey buddy, can I get the valve core tool? Where'd you put that? And this is my assistant, Dom. All right, so we're gonna take this valve core tool out and we're gonna pull the valve core. You ready? There's gonna be a lot of air. Last night and just find a spot. Oh, okay, she got lubed pretty good today. She got lubed pretty good today. All right, I got the wheel loosely over the tire, or the tire over the wheel. I did mark where the old valve stem was, and I'm gonna try and line it up with this new one just to help with some balancing. And now I'm gonna put on some bead seal. I'm gonna put it right here, just to ensure I don't have to reseal this bead later if it's leaking. Try to put that all in the bucket. Oh. Our big wheel is great. Oh. It's so it can kind of sag down. Yeah. And then I can spin it better. All right, I have the whole thing sitting on a tire, or on a bucket. I got the bead underneath the lip of the wheel. Now I got the ring on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a bunch of bolts and anti-seize every single one of them with this stuff. And I'll torque it down. All right, so I have my tire on the bead lock, but I have to now put some air in there to seal up this side. I'm not gonna put any bead sealer on this side. I think it should be fine. So I'm just gonna air it up now and hopefully it'll go on good. I'm gonna lubricate it a little bit here. I am using my MORRflate system. So I have my dual air compressor, the Magic Hub, which I set to the particular PSI that I want. So that's what it was doing for me. And what people don't realize is that you can have a multi-tire kit and it's sealed. So like you can still just inflate one tire at a time, which is great. So I'm gonna get this tire on, it's all done.